I'm here to talk to you about Family Week, Incredible Faith.
Wait, what's Incredible Faith? What's Family Week?
Incredible Faith is our theme for our Family Week that we're going to be doing on August 2nd through the 6th. And it starts at 6:30 to 8:30. And what we're going to be doing is from 4 years old to 6th grade, you get to come be fully involved. If you're in middle school and high school and you still want to come, we have plenty of places for you to help out. And the parents, they get to come to their own workshops and be involved. The parents, they get to have nightly games and they get to have some really great interactive workshops to do.
And the kids get to do?
The kids, they're going to have games, crafts, they're going to have time for their Bible time, they're going to have a small snack, and on the last night, we're going to have hot dogs and chips. We're going to do that before we start. So come before, have hot dogs and chips with us, have fun before we even start.
How much is it?
It is free. You don't have to pay anything.
Okay, what are those?
These are backpacks. These backpacks you will get for free. All you have to do is come all week long. Come Monday through Friday, and on Sunday, we want you guys to come back to church here at our church. Come back to church. When you get here, we're going to have our service, and at the end, you guys are all going to get, you can pick out your backpack. Inside the backpack also has school supplies. You get a nice pack of school supplies to get you started for school.
Oh, before I forget, I saw this ticket. Do I have to have it to get in?
You don't have to have this ticket to get in. This ticket is for our drive-in movie that we're having on July 31st. It will be at 6:30. We're going to start our movie fun, and at 7 o'clock we're going to start the movie, which is The Incredibles, because that is our theme, is the Incredible Faith, and it goes around the Incredibles movie. All right, and what else we are also doing is you're going to make your own car out of a cardboard box, because then you get to sit in the cardboard box, which is your cool car, and you get to watch the movie. Whoever makes the coolest car is going to be able to get an awesome prize at the end of the night.
Oh, I hope you guys come and join me. Hope we'll see you there. Bye.